I think uBig Zulu mfana unique, yabo. Like he's himself. Like I believe in that. Ubuntu. It's fundis Ubuntu. Yeah, dignity. We don't forget where we come from.
Flavors this. Tell us about your dream.
Baba.
Yo, it's good. It's your girl, Ayanda V. Masango, aka Mukeloko 012, and you're tuned into Yano Lyrics. Today we're at the Indlovukazi EP, and as you guys know, I am not alone, never alone. Who am I here with today?
Yeah, with Zenivex, Zenon, Buffet, Danko.
Now, please tell us, what are we here for? What are your expectations for this EP?
Yeah, kahle bafethu sila ku Big Zulu nendodakazi yakhe, ubaba nendodakazi. So mamela umculo wabo musha. So my expectations from this event ukuthi kube mnandi wonke umuntu ajabule and represent the Zulu culture. Uyazi.
Yebo. And then ngicela ungitshele, what do you think sets Big Zulu's music apart from the rest of all these other artists? What do you think he does different in his music?
I think uBig Zulu mfana unique, yabo. Like he's himself. Like I believe in that, Antwala. I don't believe ukuthi sekumele manje ukichimisa amanye culture when you have your own culture. So he represents that a lot. He's a Zulu man with some power. Yeah.
Okay, and how do you think music like this, Zulu music, cultural music, uplifts communities?
Oqala bathini ubuntu. Isifundisa ubuntu. Yeah, dignity. We don't forget where we come from. And also just to be proud for who we are and where we come from, because as far as abantu, yeah.
Okay, and then ngiyabona ukuthi better something la now. Chilla's Bunch, what flavors this? Tell us about your dream.
Baba, mina ngisiphuzela ipeach emango lana, Chilla's Punch. Yes, every day.
Yeah. Okay, now last but not least, sicela is shout out to Yano Lyrics.
Shout out to Yano Lyrics and shout out to Mugel from Pretoria.